I made this cap. Can you see it? Can you see it? I made it. Let me put it on so that you see what it looks like. So I made this cap. Can you see it? How does it look? Does it look good? Look at it. Look at the way it look. Look at it. So you see the picture I put up there. So that was the way I rocked it last Sunday. Last Sunday was our Sunday, our Thanksgiving anniversary. Like I told you guys that were there on my live, or the ones I've watched my last video. So last Sunday we celebrated our anniversary. It was on the 15th, Monday, that I went live here. So last Sunday we went to church to say thank you to God with little entertainment to our visitors. So I started to look unique. I thought of what I could put on that wouldn't look like the usual thing everyone uses in the church. So I started to do this. My tailor made my clothes. I made my cap. So this is the cap. This cap got every attention, almost every attention in the church. The way I rocked it. So I was putting on a wig, but I started to leave my hair here because I want to teach you how I made it. So you see the perfect way it looks. You can put it on your hair alone if your hair looks good. You can see my hair, I just lose it. So it's not looking neat. I wouldn't have rocked it this way to church. So I wore wig and put on this on top. So the picture I put up here was the way I rocked it to church. So I just want to show you how I made it. I made this. One of the times my tailor would make my clothes and I would come and design. That's my talent. This channel is talent, relationship, and talent clinic. We do more of relationship, this and that. But yeah, there's some still talent stuff there. But this is all about my personal talent. I didn't learn it. So just see how I did it. It attracted a lot of questions. Who made it? You bought it? A tailor made it? It was delivered, it was sent, and all that. So I just want to show you how I simply made it. I just made it. It was just that morning. I was going to church. I made this, I put it on. And lo and behold, it looked unique. I didn't want to put on big girl. So just stay tuned and watch how I made this wonderful cap. So please let me make an appeal. This is the cap. Let me make an appeal as you're watching how I did this. Please, for me to cash out, for me to get to my threshold, to meet up with my threshold, to cash out, I need just $4. If you can, please, if you can, I beg you, if you can super chat me, or super thank me, or super chat me, or super sticker me, anyone you can do for me, please do it and help you girl to cash out this month. Please, I just need only $4 to to meet up with my threshold and get $100. That is how difficult it is, and it takes months to meet up with threshold. But it's okay as well. We do what we do, keep doing it, and hope God uplifts us. Please, if you can, super chat a girl or super thank you girl with $4 to help me meet up with the threshold and cash out. Thank you. Don't mind any noise around, please. I can't stop people from talking. So this is the cap anyway. This is the cap. This is the way it looks. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You saw it on my head. That's where it sits. So I want to lose it. Then you watch on how I made it. Okay? This is it. Okay? Let me lose it. Let me lose it. So I made it. So losing it would not be an issue. That's one part of it. Then here, I remove pin, one office pin. So let me put this pin where it will not be difficult for me to pick. Let me put it here. All right. There's another pin here, office pin. Office pin, there's it. I put it there again. There's another office pin. There's another office pin. I put it here again. Here I can easily pick it, So there's another one here. You can see how I'm easily removing it. So it's not something that is strong. I didn't make it so hard. Okay, I think there's another one. Okay, what did I put down? All right, I remove this one. So I'm just losing it. Okay, there's still one more, which is here. All right, I think I'm done. That is it. I'm done. So tada, this is it. So guys, this is my husband's cap. You know this cap now. I think Igbo uses it, Calabar uses it, many tribes. So Yoruba too uses it. So it's a common cap. Look at it. So I got this soft one. It's my husband's cap anyway. So it's a common cap here, and I know it comes in colors. So it can be black, it can be red. So there's a black plain one. Doesn't have that design here that comes up and makes it look like a royal or all those chieftaincy stuff. So it's just a plain cap. It's for my husband. Just for my husband. You know, all this cap. Then this is a sequence. This is just a sequence material. This is a sequence material. This is a sequence material. Funny enough, this was cut off from my clothes. One of my tops that just had the whole of its front sequence. So I condensed that top to get this. So that is the way how far I go to make my design. Yeah, I make a lot of designs. So like I told you, if tailor makes my clothes, I make my design. So you can see my face. We see it again when I'm showing there. So this is that's the sequence I used. So if you don't have anyone available, you can just go and get half a yard. Half a yard. You just get half a yard, you know. Half a yard is okay. So this is the cap. This is the sequence I used. So what did I do? What I did was I did it this way. Like I want to tie a tie. Can you see it? This way, like I want to tie a tie. Here I go. Come here. Here I go. I hope you are getting it. Let me show you again. The sequence is like this. So I folded it this way. This way. See the way I folded it? Like I want to tie a tie this way. This way, alright? Alright, can you see it? This way. Like I want to tie a tie. I brought it here. Here I go. There's a cap. There's a cap. That's the sequence. I brought it here. Can you see it? See it? I brought it here. Look at it. Look at what I did. Look at it. Look at it. I hope I'm tying the gele on the cap. Look at it. That's what I did. That's what I did. So I brought it to the side. To the side. Here. I don't want it here. So I brought it here. I brought it here. So I just tied it. That's what I'm doing. I tied a knot here, just a small knot here. I just tied a small knot. Hope you can see it very well. Just tied a small knot here. That's for there. This one goes inside. That's for there. So you see it. The front has the shape. So you can hardly recognize it as that cap. I'm not done. I still have this one to do with. So that is the first thing. So get the cap, get the sequence, fold the sequence in a triangular form, then you tie it back. The sequence mustn't be longer so that when you knot it, see the knotting. So it wouldn't be so obvious I'm having some parts of the material left. So when you tie it this way, we are not done with it. That's as simple as you can do with that part. Then this is here. Can you see to that? So if you like, give it any style you want. Here, for the one I came here, I dragged it outside, see, and gave it a kind of a step here. That's what I did. You see what I did? It was like this. So you can leave it plain and do with this at the middle. Like I said, don't mind any noise you perceive around, please. I know baby's crying somewhere. Just focus on what I'm teaching you. You can do with this at the middle here. Understand? But like I said, what I did to give it a style, I like all my things to be unique. I come here I drag it out like you're tying gele, you want to fold it. So I wanted to give it a step. I brought out this ele to here from the inside. From the inside. So I give you that step there. I still take this one inside. So it have that step at the side. Look at it. You may not even notice because of the sequence. So look at it. That is it. Alright? That is it. That is it. See the way it looks now? I'm not done. I'm not done. Then you come to the middle again. These are what we have left. Make it neat. Make it neat. See what I did? I brought it out. Smoothing this middle. I brought it out. It is like I brought it out. I smoothened this middle. I brought it inside again. And make it neat. Look at it. See what I did? I brought it here. As I brought it here, let me take the first step. If you like, sew it with needle and thread. If you like, use gum. But you know why I use pin? Like I said, is my husband's cap. So I put the first pin here. That's all. Put the first pin there. Then come here again. Inside. Remember the way we fold the middle. Make it smooth. Make it smooth here. Make it look clean. I take the pin. I put another one. I explain again why I'm using pin is my husband's cap. I will still use it after and give him back his cap. So next time I can still use it. If I want to buy mine, I can buy mine, make it permanent and keep. If I don't want to buy mine, this is better because I can still use it anytime I want. I use the cap, I use my sequence as ordinary head tie. So it serves as two purposes. That's why I cannot do it and keep. You understand? You see what I'm doing? This is the last one left. So I neatly bring it here. The place I tie the knot. See what I tied? I brought this one here. Inside here. Inside here. And stretch it. And smoothen it. Then as I brought it inside here, I take my pin. I put it. So that is it. Anyhow you want, smoothing your middle. Let it look like how you want it. I made mine the way I want it. So this is it. So there is it. There is it. This is it. I'm done. This is my cap. That's the way I made my cap. So let me wear it again. Let me wear it again. So you see what I have. Don't mind my hair. Don't mind my hair. You know, it's because I want you to understand the way I'm doing it. That's where I left my hair this way. I don't want to wear wig. So you see the way it is. I wore wig on Sunday. And I rocked it. You see it? We are done. You can put it this way, alright? We are done. Like I said, you can put it on your ordinary hair, natural hair. You can put it on a wig. If your natural hair is neatly made, you know, you can put it on like that without wearing wig. I think it sits perfectly like this than to wear wig. You understand? Then with a very cute native. This can't go with English. Do you understand? Then this, after this way, you can put it at the middle. You can put it at the middle. You can see it's still fine. You can put it this side. Still perfect. Just make your hair, arrange your hair so it won't look tattered. Any side you want, you rock it. But I like everything sideways be at my right hand side. That is what, anything sideways, I prefer it at my right hand side. So how do you see it? I hope you've learned something. So if you've learned something, say something on the comment section. If you want to appreciate this video, give it a thumb up. Share it for someone to learn out there. Let me know if you've learned it. Are you going to try it? Tell me if you're going to try it, and tell me how interesting and how educative and how entertaining this and how fashionable this video is. I would like to read from you on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if it is your very first time of coming to this video. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so that I have more of things to teach you on this channel. A lot of things to learn. This time is no longer a relationship. talent things will still be coming in. Learn how to do this. It is very easy, less costly, and very, very affordable. This is what you can just quickly do on your in your house on your own and go out there and look unique. All looks unique because of what I can do with my hands. So if you've learned something, comment on the comment section and I would like you to try it. When you're trying it, tag me, let me invite me, let me come and see. Thank you guys for watching. I quite appreciate this. Do have a great day. Bye. So that was how I rock it to church on Sunday. That was why I mixed it up with my red sequence top, my full Ankara, and that bead I was wearing on my ankle. Can't you see how unique it looks? So just try this wear of Megan's cup and dress unique to your church or every other occasion you want to dress. That is whom Lola is. Look at the way I rocked it. Yeah, that is whom Lola is. I always make a difference in my dressing. Love it?